Thank you all, young ones that decided to enter. I hope you guys enjoy yourself. I hope fierce competition, but very civil. And yes, I hope you have a great few days of tennis.
I have 1 and 2 connections to a few schools. I'll try and remain as neutral as possible over the coming days. And again, looking forward to a great couple of days of competition. It's, I think, a record number of entries. Sangi 41 teams.
That's right.
Well, it's fantastic. It's great to see the sport growing. It's been amazing. I mean, it starts in the schools, prep school, primary school, high school. So it's great, and the camaraderie is great. You know, whenever you have team events like this, it adds a different flavor. You have the people playing not only for themselves, but for the schools. So it's great. I can't be happier. I mean, as president of Tennis Jamaica, I can't be happier. And as a sponsor, title sponsor through King Alarm, I think it's a great event to associate our brand with. When it came up, I had to kind of fight to get the title sponsorship from others. I really wanted to be associated with it, and it's just all fantastic all around.